Okay, we have done a very detailed demo using an Android 10 device. Please, if you wish to know the details, refer to that video and it will show you step by step how to configure PLC Echo. This live demo is using an iPhone 11, so it's an iOS demo. I've already configured a couple of PLCs, an SLC 505 with its own tank water level. I also configured a MicroLogix with its own associated tag. The reason I have used SLC 505 and MicroLogix is that they are the only devices I have today. If you refer to the Android one, we did a ControlLogix and a Siemens in addition to the SLC 505F MicroLogix. So I have got now 2 tags configured. Let's go to Monitor and Control. You can see I've already selected the 2 tags, one for the SLC and one for the MicroLogix N71. So I now have 2 tags shown on the list for each configured tag associated with each PLC. Let's press Start. It's now going to the network, is getting the data, and as you can see, the monitoring is working nicely. Let's now stop. Let's go back to the menu and let's go to a trend list view. The trend list view gives us 1 trend per tag plus some statistics. So let's stick with N70 and N71, the already configured tags, and let's press Start. Here are my trends. We've got 2 trends, one for N70 for the SLC. It's showing you the maximum value, minimum value, and the average value. It also gives you the date at which these values have occurred. So if we scroll up, we can see the MicroLogix 1100 N71 tag trend. Should you have an issue with the monitoring, just double click on it and it will update. When you scroll up and down, you don't know at which point you stopped scrolling. You can see the total reads stored in the historical buffer is 30 tags. The reason for this is when you stop the trending, you can go back and analyze the value of your tags. If you want more tags to be stored in the historical buffer, just increase the trend retention period. If you want the trend to be faster, you have a tag read interval there in milliseconds. Change it, say, to 2000, which is 2 seconds. When you change it, make sure you press the Enter key to register. Let's see if we can go back. Now we're going back in time. If you wish to know what the value is, you just click on the dot and it tells you the value is 5 liters because it's in milliliters at the moment. You also have a monitor on and off. So if you don't want to monitor or turn this tag, just press that button and it will make the tag inactive. You want to activate the tag again, go back to Rockwell, to the PLC concern, to the tag concern, and reactivate it from there. Again, please refer to the detailed live demo we did with an Android device. Let's go back to our menu. Now let's go to the single trend. We only have one trend, but we will have all the tags in one trend. The reason for this is so that you can compare. Well, let's have a look. Let's press start and see what happens. Okay, it's going to the network. Here is our trend. The tags are at the top in blue. And the description and IP address are at the bottom, just below the title. And you can see here we are in. So we can monitor tags in iOS. We can trend single tags in iOS. And we can trend multiple tags at once in iOS. So let's just stop. We've got 16 points in the historical buffer. Let's see if we can go back. Basically, the reason we couldn't go back is all the data is actually already displayed. Let's try now. Now we can go back. It's only 36 points, and we've got two trends. We have done a demo. If you want to remember what you need to do, just go to the home, and it will tell you what to do to configure the system. If you purchase the license, go to license activation. You put your license in the license key entry and make sure you check it. The system should check it for you. And the background of the license key entry will change to green if the license is valid. This screen needs an internet connection. At the moment, we have no internet access. So you can click on the settings key. You can go to your Wi-Fi and change to a Wi-Fi that has internet. Once you do that, you click this Wi-Fi button and it will be green and tell you that you have internet access. Should you wish to read the license agreement, once you launch the application the first time, it will be displayed and you will have to accept it. I already have accepted, but in case you want to read it again, you can get to it through this license agreement. Thanks for watching, and till next time, bye for now.